Here we have our Studio Series figures from Transformers Devastation. All of these, apart from Optimus, are part of the More Than Meets the Eye collection theme. The first figure release was Optimus Prime. Optimus was released as a deluxe class figure, and I feel he should have been released as a Voyager or Leader class figure. But other than that, he's a great looking figure, and here you can see his Energon battle axe. Here we have him in vehicle mode. Here's a side view of the vehicle. You can see an Autobot logo. Here's a top view. Here's where you saw his Energon battle axe. And here we are around the other side. And the new associated windows look great. Next we have Ground Soldier, and he's part of a 2-pack with Elite Seeker. He's not a bad looking figure. Here you can see his huge back piece. Here's a better look at it. And he has one accessory, this big sword. And his color scheme looks great in this mixture of blues. Here he has transformed. He has Decepticon logo on the side. Here's a top view of the vehicle. And here's another logo on the other side, as you can see here. And just look how cool the cell shading is on the windscreen. Here we have Elite Seeker, who is part of the 2-pack with Ground Soldier. He has various weapons, like these swords and blasters, and currently he's the only Voyager class figure. And he has 2 pairs of swords and blasters, as you can see here. Here we have Elite Seeker's jet mode. We have 2 Decepticon logos on the wings, and a cel-shaded canopy. Next up we have the recently released Sideswipe. Here you can see his shoulder cannon attached to his arm. The back of the figure is covered in his vehicle mode. And around this side, here you can see him holding his silver blaster. And his head sculpt looks like Autobot Red Alerts. Here we have him in his cool looking vehicle mode. You can attach the weapons to either side of the vehicle. The red detailing and cel-shaded windscreen looks great. And finally, we have Wheeljack. We have his small shoulder cannon attached to his arm. His back is covered in part of his vehicle mode. And around this side, here you can see him holding his G1 blaster. We have some cool red and green detailing, along with a red Autobot logo. Now here he is in his vehicle mode. You store his G1 blaster at the back, and you store his shoulder cannon on the roof. The paint application on this figure is different than the one that came in the Autobot 5-pack.